We recently received a phone from JESY, the JESY J20, which is the latest rugged smartphone. Now, the big question is whether this rugged 5G phone is worth buying, and we try to answer this question in this video. The packaging of the JESY J20 is very simple and intuitive. You can see what the phone looks like from the box, and on the back, you'll find more information about the phone. We've got the 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM version in black color. Once you open the box, you'll find the phone and accessories. You'll find an instruction manual, charging cable and charger inside the box. The charger is very common and is of 18-watt charging power. There is also a tempered film protector, and that kind of sums up the accessories department. As we all know, there are hundreds of rugged phones in the market, each with its own unique design. The back of this J20 is still made of rubber. It has a bumpy, striped design and many small bumps on it, so it will not slip from your hand. The design of the teeth of the beast around it makes it look very cool. The camera lens module has a centered rectangular design. At first glance, the square sensor under the lens looks like a fingerprint sensor area. But note that the fingerprint reader is on the side. So what exactly is the sensor? We will reveal this answer later. The rugged phone is certainly not without its custom buttons. There's a hole at the bottom of the phone that allows you to attach a strap. It even has NFC and a SIM card tray that supports micro SD card. And the speaker is located not on the bezel but on the back. So you won't be blocking the speaker anyway. So thumbs up for this design. As a rugged phone, the JESY J20 comes with a lot of safety features. As its official website says, the J20 can be submerged under 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and covered in 1 meter deep mud for 24 hours. It will not be damaged even when dropped from a height of 1.5 meters, and it also comes with IP68 and IP69K certifications, and it can even be used from 55 degrees Celsius to minus 30 degrees Celsius. As said in our previous video, rugged phones ensure that your device remains usable even in harsh outdoor environments. This is the most important feature of a rugged phone, and the JESY J20 checks all the boxes in this department. JESY J20's tool bag has an additional barometer function in addition to the 9 functions that every rugged phone has. It can also measure the current atmospheric pressure and can calculate the altitude of your current location. Flashlight also has one click to open SOS function. Coming back to the sensor below the camera that I mentioned earlier, it is actually a temperature sensor. It allows you to measure the temperature of your body or an object. Just place your hand in front of the sensor at around 1 to 3 cm distance and you can measure your body temperature. Since COVID-19 has wreaked havoc around the world, the ability to measure body temperature is a very thoughtful feature. The JESY J20 has 3 lenses, a 48 megapixel main camera, a 20 megapixel night vision camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. When it comes to rugged phones, we don't expect much from the cameras. As long as I can record the scenery in front of me, it will be able to meet my needs. So if you think you can accept this level of photos, then you can buy it. Its night vision camera is able to autofocus, which is extremely friendly for recording in total darkness. The JESY J20 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC, an old friend of our rugged phones. It is a relatively power-efficient processor that is used in almost all 5G rugged phones. The phone scored 355,000 points on Antutu and 1098 score in 3D Mark. There is no way to run heavy games smoothly, but mainstream games like PUBG can still be played well. It can also handle daily applications such as TikTok and Twitter without any problem. Because the processor is very power saving, 20 minutes of PUBG only consumes 3% of power. Plus, having a large 6000 mAh battery means you can play games for up to 2 or 3 days without charging. All in all, the JESY J20 is a very typical rugged phone. It is similar to other rugged phones with Dimensity 700 processor, big battery, night vision camera and even a tool bag. But it also comes with a barometer and temperature sensor, which is not common in its segment. And as long as the J20 has features that no one else has, it certainly has a target market that is exclusive to it. So if you need these features, you can consider buying this phone. This is Sean from Gizmochina and we'll see you next time.